वेल नमस्कार बैंगलोर वालों, हमें हाल ही में मालूम पड़ा है कि बैंगलोर में एक प्रॉब्लम कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ गया है यूथ में, और वो है फ्रेंड जोनिंग का प्रॉब्लम.
I haven't been friend zoned before.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Humorous Bangalore, and I am Vishwas. Today, I have decided to ask the youth of Bangalore that how friend zone is ruining their lives.
Shocking.
So, can someone explain to me what friend zone actually means?
Certain romantic feelings towards someone,
Grouping someone to be just friends and nothing else.
but that person doesn't like get it the right way and then thinks it's just fondness.
Someone is someone who you don't like, but at the same time you want their friendship and you don't want to hurt their feelings.
Guys know it, man. Guys know the pain. In that scenario, have you friend zoned anyone?
The guy who's asking the question.
4.
3 to 4.
Really?
I guess 7.
Oh my god.
7.
We have a stud here. We have a stud. Good score, huh? All of them were girls?
No, guys.
Seriously? Like Chatur of friend zoning. Explain to us what happened.
No one.
So we guys don't have that opportunity. Yeah, girls can explain it better.
I'm not sure. I might have done it like without
Maybe
knowledge.
we didn't know that we are actually friend zoning them because we never got to know that they actually had feelings.
Then maybe that I didn't match up to his level or whatever.
So what exactly happened? So you went up to the guy and told him I like you, and what was the reaction?
Why the hell did this happen?
Shocking.
He kind of said, that he doesn't really believe in love and all that shit. But I guess he didn't. Same thing happened to him. He didn't know he was friend zoning me.
So you're just killing someone without your knowledge.
We didn't know, so maybe unknowingly, maybe yes.
They expect more, but you just see them as friends. But later on you realize that they're not the same way. So you gotta put boundaries and let them know that you're just.
Though we.
So you didn't give him the proper signal, that is.
Yeah, I think the mistake was on our part too, that we didn't like put it across properly.
He was my best friend, he proposed me. So I lost my friend, that's it.
Has someone friend zoned you?
Yeah, a lot of times.
Yeah? I must say this is the first girl we found. Oh my god, girls are getting friend zoned. Dude, if you're watching this video, go to hell. Yeah? What has happened to Bangalore? Alright, you've liked someone and he has friend zoned you. Is there a way that you can break that wall and get more from the same person?
Maybe yeah, like they can try getting to know them more in the form of being friends. I think coming out clear. I mean, like go to him, confront
Tell them
him.
how you feel about it and totally like go.
Maybe persuade him to just hang out with you and not call it a date.
Get another girl into his life. And I would try to break it, I would flirt.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the situation. Tell me what do you want to do about it.
I guess that friend would know because that told he knows me so.
Put the
It's
ball
like
in
do
his
or
court
Okay.
and then let him decide what you should do. You should, from your part, you should be all clear about it.
You see, like if you want to break the barrier, it's again you should be confident about yourself and about the person. If you really want to, get involved.
Even if I start liking him in some way.
How would you start liking him was the question. What does he have to do to last you so that you can start liking him?
Maybe he can try different ways of impressing her.
Let's spend more time and all that, and maybe he'll fall for your charms one day.
I guess it happens at an instant. It's not like I plan of things that how I like a person. It just happens like that.
Getting to know her friends better. And this is what usually guys do. Getting to know that particular girl's friends. Getting closer to them.
Okay.
Finding out what she likes.
And then if there is any better girl in that, then go for that.
No, not like that. Not exactly the same face. I would have told it in a better way. Telling that, no,
It's not possible. I have someone already.
it's not. I already have type. Not between us.
He's been friend zoned, so he can continue being friends with her, getting to know her better.
And try to be creepy at the end.
Creepy? Like telling the truth.
Throwing someone to the corner and talk to my hand. Alright. That person needs to be behind you for a little more while.
Very determined, or if he wants that girl, then definitely he'll do.
She is still with me. She's still with you. लड़की थी ना? हुआ क्या?
With great costs, I could say.
So I lost my friend. That's it.
So good luck to that 7 people who've been a part of that. Let's go.